Well, as we head into more of 2021 and organizations around the four-state area and around the country continue to work to find new ground in certain areas and recover from last year, one of those organizations is the Recovery Outreach Community Center. And this morning we were fortunate enough to be joined by Paula Donaldson, who is very involved with The Rock in Joplin. And Paula, thank you so much for speaking with us this morning. Do you mind just explaining for people what The Rock does and what it provides the Joplin area?
Well, the purpose of The Rock, the Recovery Outreach Community Center, located at 1402 South Main, right here in downtown Joplin, strengthen individuals, puts them in touch with resources that will help them obtain their short-term and eventually long-term goals, whether they are suffering from substance use disorder or mental health illnesses or anything else we can help. We're a drop-in center, and there's somebody there always.
How did you get involved with The Rock? Because I know, it has such an impact on the people that it serves, but what is the background story behind you getting involved with it?
Well, it kind of was a dream, a mission for Teddy Steen, one of my mentors, and she is part of the Ascent Recovery Residences. Her 501(c), her nonprofit, was looking for something to extend that limitation of just a residence. So we were able to find a location and then kind of march out this mission, which just was laid at our feet. We were able to obtain the building this year and still looking for resources and volunteers.
What kind of an impact has the pandemic had on The Rock and organizations like it?
Well, we were just getting rolling last year, exactly at this time when everything shut down. So unfortunately, we had a slow, very slow rollout, but little by slowly, we were able to take precautions and make sure everybody was safe and started to open up. And we do have meetings. We have classes and groups that meet on a regular basis now, but we're always looking for extra funding.
What kind of classes are those? Do you mind sort of giving me a little info about that? Because I know that's an integral part of what makes The Rock special.
Absolutely. Some of the classes include parenting classes. We have a Good Dads program, Smart Recovery. We have yoga. We have actually in art class, Spiva's going to be starting. We have a photography class along with other job classes, like resume building.
Yeah.
We have assistance in that.
Now, tell me about Give Ozarks Day, because I know that Give Ozarks Day is going to be playing a role in helping organizations like The Rock recover and make headway into 2021.
Exactly. Give Ozarks Day this year that's their thing, rally for recovery from all the fundraising events that we had to miss out on last year because of the pandemic. But it is this year, March 24th, from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. We will have an opportunity for our area to donate online. Give Joplin Day has about 16 different organizations, including The Rock and Ascent Recovery Residences, to benefit from any kind of donations that are made.
That's fantastic. All right, so it's the Rally for Recovery, and it's from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. And if you want to get involved, where do you go?
Well, Give Joplin Day, you can go online, causemomentum.org, and just search. There will be different projects you can search for. Search Ascent Recovery Residences and The Rock.
Awesome. Hey, Paula, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us this morning. Best of luck to everybody at The Rock, and thank you so much for serving the area.
Thank you, Jesse. I so appreciate it. We all do.
We appreciate you. We're going to have that info on our morning show page at KOAMNewsNow.com, and we'll be right back on the KOAM Morning News right after this.
Eliminate